Wait on, Wesley.
It's cold in here.
Cold in here. Good. Means the AC's working. Look, there's a tractor.
I have bye-bye.
There's one of our cornfields. It's a little spotty. Cold weather early on didn't help it, but it'll turn out good. That's the field we put a bunch of liquid manure on. Don't look terrible.
Oh, that's what they
Could be worse.
are.
Yeah, somebody making hay. Everybody and their brothers out making hay. What are we doing? Gonna go whack some wheat?
Yeah.
Yep, we're heading to Timberville to whack some wheat. Hopefully it turns out pretty good. And we'll be putting double crop beans in behind it. Also got some corn up there along the river. Should be knee high by the 4th of July, no problem. Today's the 24th of June. Wherever you're at on here. Oh, you're right there on the left side. June 24th. Got 2 fields up here in Timberville to do, and then we'll be done with wheat, and then get the double crop beans in, and we'll be done with planting for the year. And then we get to go to the beach in a couple weeks.
Yeah.
That'll be fun. Get some time off.
No, and baby.
Yep.
I'm gonna play corn,
Boy, it's nice seeing a wide open road. What do you think, Wesley? Say, this road's pretty small, ain't it? 42 is a lot easier than 211. Gonna go cut some wheat? Especially with this bridge coming up here. You gotta make sure it's clear before you pass or before you go across. I don't think you can fit with a car passing you. Oh. 2 o'clock, so. Oh, we gotta beat them. Got some cars, we gotta beat them. They better slow down or they're gonna get run over. We made it. Hey, there's a wheat field over yonder. Have they started yet?
Yeah.
Doesn't look like it. I hope ours ain't blown over like that. I hate cutting down wheat. Well, the sweet corn folks ain't got nothing done yet.
Oh, that's
I guess they'll be planting here in another, what is it, almost July? They might be planting in July. I forget what they did last year. There's a wheat field over yonder. In the cornfield, and we're gonna go hook up the header over here at the bin site and set them back this little driveway. See how big of a line we got, Wesley? Got a big line behind us? Yep. Sorry, folks.
What are you doing here? What are you doing? What are you doing?
We gotta unhook the header over here. Corn don't look too bad. Forget when I was planted. I think first or second week of May.
Dad! Daddy!
What we doing?
Wait, you're there. Wait, I'll touch there.
Yeah, but what are we doing now?
Now touch.
What are we doing right now?
Now touch.
We are doing what?
Now touch.
What's that? Over there.
Toy.
Yeah, what are we doing?
I'm doing touch.
We're hooking it up.
Put it up.
Yeah, you just said it.
I'm doing top meat. I'm doing top meat now. I'm doing top toy.
Let's see how lucky we get. It's harder than you think videoing. Need one of them GoPros. Alright, Georgie, you get lucky every now and then. Hey, you got the wrong shirt on today, boy. You got the wrong shirt on. This is Case IH country.
I want done now.
No snack. Boy, combine don't break down today because it is hot. Hot and humid and no breeze and 90 degrees or so. I gotta make our way over to the field. Today we gotta fix an O-ring on the adapter on the combine. Gonna get over the other side of the road and do it. Might need 2 hands for it.
I'm done.
And we gotta watch out for power poles. I don't care if you're done. Eat your sandwich. You got 2 bites left, man. I'm busy right now. Try not to hit any signs. Couldn't do this with a 40-foot header. This is a 30 and it still gets her done. I don't think we could get a 40 across up here at the stop sign. I'm not gonna video this, but this is what we gotta go through.
Need a pool.
We'll get her. Got it. Nipped the stop sign a little bit, but we got her. Right, Wesley?
Yeah. Oh, we down there. Walk me, little.
Say, where's our cart driver at? He's a coming. Cutting the end rows off this field. Opening it up. Looks like some pretty decent wheat. Oh, son of a gun.
No, if why are there only power like that?
WSIG North Jackson Harrisonburg. It's 5 o'clock and it's quitting time. Thanks to the Cheese Shop Country Market in Dilley and Stewart's Drive.
So you got the wrong shirt on for this freaking daggone job.
Well, for on.
Heck on these grain cart drivers. Well, we're waiting on a truck. And somebody showed up. Hey, Wesley! Wesley! Camera shy. Dad's waiting in line at the feed mill. Got a bunch of trucks in there, obviously. Got the cart full. Combine's full. Waiting on another truck to get here. Should be here shortly. Fill that up, get back to rolling. And by that time, hopefully Dad will be back. Wheat's doing all right, not the best, but it's pretty good. Short stuff. And boy, is it hot. Probably start planting double crops tomorrow. Got good moisture in the ground. If we're gotta wait on trucks, we're gonna start planting the field. Probably try and keep cutting that furthest side, and then that way we can plant that side. That way we're not running over it with the combine any more than we have to. Get these beans in the ground so they can get up and get growing. Catch some rains. What's not coming? What?
You see that?
Oh, it's coming. It's unloading. Have a nice sunset this evening. Pay attention. Don't want to leave any skippers. Turn. How old are you?
I'm 4.
4?
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
Only time.
You be driving by yourself when you're 6 or 7? Oh, you're way off now, boy. Gotta get over now. Come on, man, we're on a straight stretch. Keep it straight. Bringing the planter up. Nice field of soybeans. What do you think, Wesley? Yeah, they're growing up, ain't they? Yeah, we're gonna combine some more wheat. Got close to 50 acres done yesterday, and we're gonna finish it up And if we gotta wait on trucks, we're gonna start planting beans in it. And get that field knocked out. And then we got a neighbor, got some wheat. We're gonna knock that off and probably plant double crops afterwards as well, up here in the same vicinity. But yep, got some good weather this week. We're gonna take advantage of it. Here comes that nasty bridge up here. See if some jackleg try. Oh yeah, I got you on camera. Trying to pass me on this bridge. I had that happen one other year. Somebody tried to pass me and got it on video. Coming across that bridge, and she got up close to the planter, and then she decided, oh, I'm not gonna fit. So she backed off. People are always in a big old hurry to go nowhere. Neighbors put an irrigation pivot up out there last year, I think. Let's see if we can park in the shade somewhere. Up here checking oil. We just did an oil change on this and fuel filter. And just oil dipsticks right here, it's good. And you got a dipstick for the PTO gearbox, and then another dipstick over here for your rotor gearbox, and they're both good. So we're good to go. Right, Wesley?
Yeah.
It's hot out here, ain't it?
No,
Good thing we're in the AC.
And how high and night day out high.
Nice day. Yeah, because you're in your shorts and tank top. Hey, Skipper, man. Skipper. Come on now. Too much. You can't turn that much. Just little turns, little turns. So we need a bigger header on this thing because we're running 4 and still not even 70% engine load. 30-foot header. Probably needs a 40-foot header. This 8120. Right, Wesley?
Yeah, it's full big. It's full more. Need big one. Need big nice one.
Yep.
I'm going.
All done? You've been driving pretty good lately. That looks no bueno.
Go away, baby!
Hey, go away, Rain. We don't need you.
Go away! Go away, baby!
I hope it goes around us.
Go away. Around there. Baby. Baby.
no chance of rain today, and what does it do?
What do you do?
It rains. It was supposed to start chances tomorrow and the next couple days, but nope. Daggone weather people can't get their job straight, get their facts straight. Oh well. At least the corn's getting it. That's down here along the river. Got a little less than 20 acres left in this field. And we're rained out. Well, maybe we'll be able to get this field done today.
Yeah, yeah.
At least the rain did a good wash job.
Yeah,
Yeah. Ain't got
It
much
was
left.
that
We'll get her done today
it was that
and get the beans planted. Nice and pretty red.
Oh, it's nice pretty. Look, take people.
Say hi.
Hi.
You lifting the header up and down? Yeah. And you know how to unload now? And swing the auger out? Yeah. Finishing up this little patch back here, and then we got another patch on the other side of that property over there, and then we're done with this field. Scattering out all the straw, obviously. We don't, no need, hey, shh. No need to take it off, leave it out here. It's fertilizer, organic matter. Ooh, that looks nasty over there. I hope it don't hit us. Ah. What in the world is that? And why is it in the field? Found a souvenir. Noticed one of these rows was dragging something right here. This field's got some risers along this driveway that we got marked off. And looks like it's back that ways a bit. I don't know why I was in the field. I'm gonna plop it next to this riser. Leave it there, we'll get it later. Maybe the previous guy was trying to plant some pipe or something, I don't know. Who knows how long it's been sitting there. Getting this field planted, double crop soybeans, got the wheat done, and the shower went around us. I don't know where it went, but it's gone, so hopefully we can get this field planted. Got plenty of moisture in the ground, going in nicely. Gonna keep on rolling. Uh, 23 acres. This field's almost 80. So a couple more hours if we try and knock it out. Uh, 30 acres or so left. Try and get it done. There's the seed man bringing some more seed. There's been thunder, I guess a storm to the east of us, but it's missed us so far. We'll keep on rolling, try and get this field done. June 26th. Boy, that'd be some funny stuff if you're on your phone and you hit that daggone pole. Let's not do that. That'd sure wake you up, I bet. It's the neighbor's well sitting there next to that pole. I'm not sure why they had to put it out in the field, but it was dug a long time ago, I bet. They could have just put it up there in the yard, but nope. Man, that's a pretty trailer. There's a local feed mill where most of the wheat goes. We are headed up Timberville, finished most of the field, wheat field of ours. Finished planting last evening, got like 3 acres left. Ran out of seed, so we got a couple more bags to finish it off, and then not sure what we're gonna do. We've got another field up here, but I don't know if it'll be ready or not for a customer. Pretty sure we're gonna plant double crops after that too, so that might have to wait until next week. Today's Friday. We'll see. Getting these double crops done. Got this field done. It's nice seeing all the dark and light shades where you planted in this wheat straw. Looks nice and pretty. And boy, the corn down along the river looks good. Getting plenty of rain this year so far. And we are ready for Monday. Gonna get things fueled up Monday morning and get back to it Monday. Finish a field for a neighbor and head on home. Everything's folded up and ready to head out. Might get another shower this evening or the next couple days, we'll see. Pretty sure I got the last pass of fertilizer on it this past week, so it should be done until harvest. And this field got sprayed, I'm pretty sure, once, and that's how we like to try and keep our crop fields sprayed to a minimum. And with cover crops and rolling cover crops and just grazing cover crops and using cover crops in general, most times with our crop rotation, corn, soybeans, wheat, and all that, we only have to spray once. Try to. Every now and then, maybe twice, but most times we can get away with one spray. And there's a lot of conventional folks, just watch them on YouTube, that spray in the fall, they spray in the spring before they plant, and they spray afterwards, and it's like 3 or 4 times, maybe 3 times they got to spray on their ground, and it's like, why? Putting all that extra chemical and input on your ground, and most of them are tilling and don't use cover crops, and they wonder why. But whatever, that's my 2 cents. Keeps raining like it does, we're not gonna have to use the pivot. That guy's house over there is, I believe, where we stopped. And this little square chunk right here, if you go out and then at that cemetery right there, and then come over to this driveway here to the west, this little square chunk right here is what we put the Redmond SR50 on. So we'll see. We only put 100 pounds to the acre on it. We'll see if we notice a yield difference when we go through it. Might want to put more on it next time, we'll see. Just an experiment. I don't think it can hurt anything. And then right here at this little old driveway is where we stopped.